how to make money on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. This is tip number one: add a website link. People click on the website that you have, that is your website, and they go to it, and you get ad revenue from there. You get ad revenue from the website. If 10,000 people go on there, 20,000, 50,000 people without even watching the entire YouTube video, they can just click on that and you get money from there. That is a separate revenue stream. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers for this. You can put the links in there in your description. You can also sell your own courses on the website. You can sell ebooks. You can sell your own video courses on there. That is separate from YouTube. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers for this. You can just do it. Make a book. Say your channel is about cooking. You can create a recipe book. You have to be very convincing. You have to have a call to action. A call to action in your videos when you actually sell your product is when you actually tell the viewers, I have a course and you can find value from that. Click down in the description. You have to get really good at this. This is selling. Selling is a skill itself. Learn selling and marketing. That is good for YouTube. That will help you in your coming years in YouTube. That is a tip from me, Mahad, from Tube Hustle. You can sell not only ebooks, you can sell notes, you can sell Notion templates. Notion is a software that you can use like for taking notes and stuff. You can sell a template for that, which is something that you can use inside Notion. You can sell that on your website. You can have like an entire store on your website where people are buying these small products on there. That will eventually add up to generate a lot of revenue for you. Even though you're not monetized on YouTube, you haven't reached the 1,000 subscriber mark, the 4,000 watch hours, which are the two requirements that you need for YouTube monetization. Even if you don't have that, you can still get money. You can still get paid from selling your own products. You can sell these on your own website. Okay, the next thing is live stream donations. If you have a channel, a small channel, one of the easiest ways to get high watch time, one of the easiest ways to get a high number of watch hours to reach that 4,000, a little hack that I would provide for you is that you can live stream. You can do a long video where you live stream. You can answer questions that your viewers ask. You can do this live, literally live, and your viewers are able to connect with you. It's a live stream. It's not just people watching the video. They're actually interacting with you via chat. You can also sell your courses inside the live stream. You can promote the course, you can talk about it, and people will buy it. And the thing about live streams is that people watch a lot of it. If you upload a video, they watch your video for like just a few minutes. But if you upload a live stream, people watch that a lot. And this adds up to your overall watch time, allowing you to reach the 4,000 watch hours easier. In your live streams, you can also get donations. Some big YouTubers actually get a lot of donations. $20 here, $50 here, $100 here, and they just keep coming in. So if you are live streaming, your viewers, your super loyal fans, they want to support you, right? So they will donate to you via something called a super chat, which is like a big thank you that they can just send to you. So this is something that you don't even need 1,000 subscribers for it. You need less than, you can get it with less than 1,000 subscribers. So this is something that you need to take advantage of. And also, I'm not a hobo. I don't wear the same thing every day. It's just that I record the videos in a batch on the same day. So don't judge me, alright? The next thing is having a membership program. If your viewers are really loyal, they will subscribe to your membership program that you have on your website. You can set it to whatever you want. They can pay like $2, $3 a month just to access your special videos, or you can send them special tips via email on their list via email. Logan Paul has this, and he's a big YouTuber. He has a membership program. It's called Maverick. You can join that and you get access to special videos and all these special things. You get access to his videos and all of these other goodies. So having a membership program for your loyal fans is very important. It's easier when you're a bigger YouTuber, but still you can still do it even though you are a small YouTuber. It can start adding up really quickly. Say 10 people sign up, 10 times 2, that's 20. 10 times $3, that's $30 a month. That's actually all right. 300 people sign up for your small membership program and you are charging $5. 300 times 5, that's $1,500 per month from your membership program. So do not ignore this. It's actually a very useful source of income. And if you are providing good value and people are really enjoying your content and they have a problem that you are solving, they sign up for your membership program pretty quickly and they say, this guy is providing a lot of value. I want to sign up to his course. Shut up and take my money. You don't even need 1,000 subscribers for this. You can do this on your own website. So live streaming, digital products, courses, and membership programs, you can make use of all of these. They are all very useful, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I have been learning about YouTube for a long time, and in this channel called Tube Hustle, I provide all of these tips. If these are really helping you, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe below, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Just give it a like, just smash that like button. You know it's free, right? I'll give you a second right now just to subscribe. You done? You subscribed? Alright, thanks. I make videos on how to make money online on YouTube, how to generate a passive income from there, how to live a life of financial independence, freedom and happiness. This is Tube Hustle. Okay, much love, Tube Hustle here. Okay, much love. Mahat from Tube Hustle here. Let's make it to the top together. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. Go hard or go home. High five from your bro. Boom.